Good morning, everybody, and once again, welcome back in today's class. Today, we're on the day number 11. Now, from today and in this week, we are going to be discuss a very interesting topic. How many of you use any of the e-commerce website? Almost everybody. And how you order anything from that website? Anybody? How you order something from the e-commerce website? Savita, how you order from e-commerce website?
Just search the item which we want to purchase
Mm-hmm.
and then put in the cart. After that, uh, select the payment option,
Mm-hmm.
and whatever the payment option, according to that, put the details,
Mm-hmm.
and then order now. Status means status will come that you have
Yes,
wait for the mm, thing, means wait for few
your order
minutes.
delivered.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, after
So,
that order has updated that when it will be dispatched or
okay, good,
yes.
fine. Now the thing is that ServiceNow also provide kind of a website to order the products because we are talking about the admin part, and in admin we have a concept called service portal. Okay. Service portal is the interface for the end users. They can order something, laptop or desktop or mobile phone. They can raise an incident and they can see the knowledge articles. Okay. And end user, the one who don't have any role, is the end user. Okay. So that is the one part. Because we are implementing service now for our customer, and it's not for the end. I'm not saying it's for the customer or the consumer. No, customer and consumer is a different concept. If I'll tell the example that how it's be different. If you are going in a market and you are buying something, you are considered as a customer. But if you are working in an IT company, or if you're working in a company where your boss says, hey, please go and raise a request for the laptop, in that case you are not paying anything, but still you are able to order. Ordering, sorry, the charges and everything will be taken care by the your project or your manager. That is a different thing. So to order that thing, you need some interface, and that interface in ServiceNow is called the service portal. So as I say, there are two things. Number one, this view is called the native view, and when we open /sp, this is called the portal view. This is called the portal view. Even though now the ServiceNow is not recommending to use this /sp, they are recommending to use /employee service center. ये recommend करते हैं that employee must use, sorry, the companies must use the ECS. But again, it depends that what your customer is using at point of time. Because in this service portal, and this ECS portal are totally different. The concept of designing, the concept of build, the concept of items are totally different. The ECS portal is based on the next experience, whereas service portal is still a legacy portal. And this is widely used. As of now, it is still widely used. So we will do little bit R&D on ECS, so sorry, in SP portal, and few things we discuss about the ECS. Okay, so that's the one thing. Let's start with this part. Now, as I say that we or you or everybody is an end user. So this portal has a few things to be discussed, to be understood. Number one, on the top there is a menu. If you want to search any knowledge article, let's say you are ordering something or you join a company and you want to be know about the that how to configure a email in my new laptop. So you can search it from here itself like this. So these are nothing but these are the knowledge articles. These all are the knowledge articles which I as an end user can use it. I want to order something, laptop or desktop, then I can go on the catalog. Browse by categories. And here I can see I want to be order laptop. See, this is a hardware, mobile phones. Because when we work in a company, our boss says, okay, you can get a mobile phone as well. Please order that. From office, you will get a laptop from this thing. Now the question comes, how all these things has been configured about the portal. If you come back on the home page, you can see these three boxes. Request something is request. Knowledge base is knowledge. Get help is to log a incident. Something has been broken and you want to be report that come under the get help. You want to tell to your customer or the not customers are not the right word, to tell to your end user that systems are going down or they're down. You can have a current status. You can show them that what assessment is pending for them, what approvals are pending for them. These boxes are called widgets, and portal is something which required a core coding skills. It's required the complete core coding skills because you have to work on the HTML, CSS, JavaScript, all things you have to work. Okay. So today we are going to be discuss that how this portal has been configured. Now, if you click on this thing, let's say I'm clicking on the catalog. This interface or this stuff you're able to see. This is coming from a page sc_home, which is again a HTML, and on that HTML we have the widget like this, my request widget, my save bundle widget. Clear till this point? Anybody, any doubt, any question? Good. Now let's go in the deep. So this is the front face for the end user, and this is the face for the fulfiller, the user who work on incident change problem and they update those records are considered as a fulfiller. Now to see that where this has been configured, all and search for the service portal. And here service portal, portal configuration, portal home and other things should be there. I'll say portal, go to the portals. And this is our portal. SP ECS. ये वाला. फिलहाल हम अभी SP, we will discuss about the SP only. Click
So
on
if you
this.
don't mind, can you reboot that? Can you navigate me again?
Go to all, service portal, portals. And when you click, you will see this particular table, SP underscore portal, and under that we have a SP portal. Click on this. Because this is coming from the base, so ServiceNow say if you make any changes in this, it will create a problem. This is a high risk file that might get updated again in the later release. If they bring some enhancement and you already changed something, so it may cause issue for you. Check. So now in this, a lot of things we have to be discussed. Understand. Number one is URL suffix. जो हमने ये लिखा था, ये URL suffix, and it has been defined in this place. Let me change this. LNG and save. And now if you put SP, you get an error क्योंकि SP है ही नहीं. Instead of this, it is able to LNG. Same portal, but suffix has been changed. But it works globally. Means if it has been changed and anybody who is using this portal will get impacted. So generally we don't change the suffix there. But as we are doing the PDI and we are just know everything, we are learning, so we can make a change here. Home page. When you click on this, it is going index. Index. But what this mean? It doesn't mean that simple writing will work. No. What type of field it is? Reference. Click on this and open this record. And now on this page we have a HTML code. So these all are the pages. Now KB home page. If you go and click on this, ये यहाँ पे define नहीं है. Few configurations are completely out of the box. Just put the page number and done. I know that what question is coming in your mind. Can we create our own pages? Yes, you can create your own pages as well. So these are the pages are showing here. Logo, icon. ये देखो, ये जो आपको दिख रहे हैं यहाँ पे. If you give a user to option multiple portals, then you can see this logo as well. ठीक, तो then if you put the wrong page or page doesn't exist, let's say index 1 or index q 4 not 4, ये भी है यहाँ पे, which you can define that if there is no page found in my service portal where the all pages should go, it should go to the 404 pages. ठीक है. Now if you go back again here, this menu, yeah, this has been defined under the menu page and called SP header menu. These all are pages. Open. This is all pages. JSON, HTML, CSS, widgets, everything has been used here. ये देखो, ये आपके menu items. Can we create our own menu? Yes, why not? You can create your own menu. But we not prefer like these things because these are considered as a customization. These are considered as a customization. But yes, you can, if you want, your customer want, you need to be created. And then come back here. Theme. Able to see the screen color theme? I want to change the theme. Yes, I can change. Go here. I want to change it to the mobile employee theme. And refresh. The good part is that it don't require anything to be restart very quick. See, we just change the, what do we change? We change the theme and full page has been changed. See. Clear हुई बात everybody? So you can do anything here. So let me come back the previous theme, Lazola. And now if I click on this, it will work fine. See, now if I come back here, if my portal I want to deactivate, and I want whenever anybody come on this link, they should redirect to some other portal. This feature has been added by ServiceNow in the Yokohama, not Yokohama, in the Zenando release. So here I can redirect to the user. Let's say I want to be redirected to the ECS portal, center portal. If anybody come on the service portal I want, it should be redirected to this. So now if I open this, I have redirected to the ECS portal. See, you are being redirected to this portal as the portal which you have able to access was deactivated now.
Once again, Atul. So while I'm trying to open that /SP portal, it is to directly redirect into ESC.
Correct.
So that means we don't have access to that old previous version, or do we need to degrade ourselves to the older versions to get that one?
So do we need to delete, right? What do you say?
It doesn't show up the service portal as US. So we can
Yes,
see this portal.
because that is a deactivated now. And I don't want to show a user the error. This portal does not exist.
Okay.
So I'm redirecting to the other portal.
Okay.
Because this is important now. Service now saying that we should use the customer should use the ECS portal. And sometimes what happened, let me tell you sometimes what happened that let's say you are a big fan of bookmarks or favorites. Okay. If you like anything, you just mark that as a favorite in your browser. Now you already make the service portal as your favorite. One day you get up and you open, you're getting message. Oh, this portal does not exist. I'm getting 404 error. Now the question comes, what is a new way? What is a new way to be use this? Either you will call to the customer care, either you will raise a request for incident. Now in this case, if my company has 2 lakh employees, at least I will get thousand of questions, a thousand of requests or incident from my employee. This portal is not working. This portal is not working. This portal is not working. What to do? So to overcome this problem, service on introduce this concept called the redirect. Correct now? Santosh, agree? So in these cases, this redirect option work very much. So we can use this particular option. So, but in our case, we are not redirecting it, and we are just saying save. And then there's a few code has been mentioned, quick config code. That as I say, every portal has everything in the service now has a sys ID. So when you click on NG, it must redirect to this particular page. So they have some service portal configurations. Again, HTML CSS code, which I have no idea. I'm not a hardcore developer here. Okay. Now, when you search it, if you search something on this portal, you're getting the response from the 2 areas. Let's say email. You're able to see the result from knowledge base and the catalogs. These 2 things has been configured under the search sources. That where to go and search it. In the knowledge, we have a knowledge basis. That in which knowledge base it should go and search. It has a catalog. If you want to raise a request for anything, from which catalog you can see it. Only one catalog as of now. And at the last, it is taxonomy. Taxonomy did not work on the service portal. Taxonomy work on the ECS portal. So if I go back here and click on the portals and open the ECS portal, देखो यहाँ पे taxonomy है. Taxonomy is kind of a bundle, and in that bundle we have our stuff. So there's a taxonomy called employee. Under that we have a technology, HR, and risk. Why are you able to see HR and risk? Because in my instance, in my PDI, I activated this taxonomy as well. But if you go in your PDI and you search, if you go to the portals ECS, you will only see technology, not anything else. So what you're able to see here, like catalog, you can see under the technology as well. Hardware, software, and if you browse, you can see a lot here. The main point is that both portals has been built on the two different technologies in the background. So don't compare कि अतुल इसमें ऐसा क्यों दिख रहा है, इसमें वैसा क्यों दिख रहा है. Clear everybody? Till this point, doubt, question? Okay. Now the next part come. Atul, can we create our own portal? I want to create my own portal. Yes, we can create our own portal. We will not do any kind of a coding, but we will create our own portal as well. So now what to do? Go to the portal configuration. Let me close all this. Under portal, we have a portal configuration. This will tell you the steps to create a portal and what a portal should contain. Number one, I want to create a new portal. So click on this first. You can create the portal from here as well, or you can create the portal from here. All portals, and click on the new. Anyway, you can do it. That's not an issue. So I can create my portal from here. Portal title. LNG पाठशाला. ठीक है. What should be the home page? When you click on the home icon, where it should lead? It should lead to the page called branding editor. Let's say I'm just putting the different pages so that we can see the actual stuff. KB homepage, KB home. Then you want to put logo, click on the logo. You want to put the image, Click on the image. If you click, if the page does not exist, 404, where it should go? It should go to the announcement section. Because these are the pages. Now the question also come, Atul, can we create our own pages? Yes, we can create. Go here under portal, click on the pages. ये देखो ये आ गई. Index page हम बात करते हैं ना. Here index page. You can define your own page. We have no issues, but to design a new page, you must need a coding experience. CSS, HTML, JavaScript, JSON, you must know. Only then you can create the pages here. Or we can use the out of the box pages as well. Now come back our on portal. Okay. You can put the quick start config, CSS, AI search. If anybody search, shall I enable the AI enhancement in the search option? Okay, because this is our PDI and in the PDI we cannot enable the AI search. There are some restrictions which we cannot do or use in the PDI. So let's say my portal is ready and I want to click on the save. Check. Now what is this thing? LNGP. Go here. LNGP. See why it's coming? Because we decided that what it should show. Now, if I go back here on my portal, sorry, we are here. I want to change it. I want to brand it. Click on the branding editor. And now you can make a change in this. What portal is this? This is my Learn and Grow Together portal. You can change the icon from here as well, like a padding, if you see. See, so quickly you can see the changes. Top padding. It is not that you have to click save, restart the server. No, nothing like that. Very quick. I want to change the theme color. Okay, no problem. See, you can make a changes. If you want to do the change, let me do one thing. Let me go back to the service portal only, because that is a well treated. Theme. What you have to do now for today's homework, you can do this exercise in your own PDIs, because if you do in my PDI, the person who is the last saving the details will override everybody else changes. So you can go and try this option in your own PDI. You can create the portals in my PDI, that's fine. But when it came to the branding and all, then you must need to do it at your PDI. Give me a minute. Let me switch on the charging. Okay. So now what you have to do, you need to be changes the theme, the look and feel, not by adding something new, but changing the colors like this. So this says that at point of time, this is your portal. What changes you want to make? Navigation bar, yellow. I'm doing the weird color so that we can see that where the changes are coming. Navigation divider. And see, everything is getting quick updates. देखो आ गया blue. Brand, batch, sorry, page background. See, might be success. कहाँ change हुआ है? Something, this has been changed now. Like default is like this. Primary, info, warning and danger. So this particular area is where you can make a changes at your page, which called as a branding. Atul, do we need to be save this? No, it's all saved now. You want to test? Go here, open the portal. See. Or let's say, do you have the save button option? No, nothing save is there. It's all already saved. So if you want to change the branding, you can do the brand changes for your portal. But one thing important, these are the global level changes and it will be done quickly. It is not, again, I'm saying it is not like if you're doing these changes directly in the production, user can see immediate basis. Clear till this point, everybody? Doubt? Good. Now let's go to the second part. This is my portal, right? If I come back here, NGP, this is my portal. I want to design it now. Designer. And designer is something which is important for us to be understand. In the designer, it is actually, ये जो आपको दिख रहा है ना page, it's talking about this design. The page structure, that how this page has been designed, not built, design. See, it is talking about the page level now. It says which page you want to be changed. Again, the pages are the global pages. If you change at the page at one portal and that page has been used at the multiple portals, so changes will be reflected in the multiple portals. This is what this design says. So now what page you want to be changed, or you want to create your own page? I want to create my own page. Click on this. Page title. LNG. Click submit. Because I say this is a design. So are you able to see hierarchy here? LNG is my portal. Under that, I have LNG Pathshala is my page. You are able to see a symmetry, right? Boxes are here, then these boxes, these boxes, these boxes. This is a design. I want to show a good design. Okay. Let me put 3 by 3 ka container or layout. Now, in these boxes, I want to show the different things. And that is called the widgets. ये current status का widget है, assessment का widget है. Drag and drop. This is my widget. Or you have something different widget. Announcement. Or pending items. Copy नहीं हो गया. Oops. What happened? ठीक. And now if you want to preview it, click on this. And it will show you the page. But did we map this page in our portal till now? Answer is no. We created this page under my portal, but did we map this page in anywhere in our portal? No. So what we have to do? We have to map it as well. Let me go back, or let's go back here. Now if you want to see the pages, click on this and search for the, see, the page is getting here as well. But that interface is giving a little bit more beautiful way because we can drag and drop the things. So if let's say I'm coming back here and I'll put the page called index. Okay. Again, index page. If you want to make a change anything on this particular place, click on this pencil icon. And I want to change the name of this particular page. If you change at one place, it will be get changed at the multiple places, plus it can impact if it is somewhere hard coded. So that is important. Pages we can make a change, that's not an issue. But make sure if you change a page and if that page is used at the multiple portals, it will affect every other place as well. So you can change out of the box pages as well. The question I want to give to you guys. You can see this thing, how we can help. Can I change this text?
Yes.
Put in the homework there. Can I change the background color of this box? Instead of green, I want to put my own logo.
I think this is more into HTML thing, and we need to do more.
Yes.
But still, we can keep our own logos.
You can
know
do.
more about it. Yeah.
But that changing the logo is not required any HTML code. It is very basic. That is what I'm saying, that you can do this.
Yeah. We are okay. So after going into branding, and we can put that logo image and it appears up there.
Give it a try. Because I'm not talking about the page logo. I'm talking about this box logo. In this, I want to change this green color image. Now the question comes. Savita says, Atul, you are working in ServiceNow ecosystem. You know the widget's name and everything. But we are very new. How we should know that what is this widget name? Right? If I say, okay, guys, let's come back here. You can see multiple things. This is incident widget. This is dated article widget, announcement widget. Atul, but how we should know that what this widget name? So this is another point which ServiceNow says or point provided by. If you want to make a change in this widget, control and right click. Control, then right click, you can see this option. It says page in designer, page in widget edit, sorry, instance in page editor. It means if I put a designer, it will open in the design in the background. And I can see this is the home page search widget. I want to be change this. Click. How can we help you? Benji. Control S. How to change the image? It's your homework. I want some different image in the background. We can do it. So this is the option if you are stuck somewhere. Now, what is this widget name? Knowledge base. Control and right click. Page editor, widget editor. Now the question comes, pages has been done. Okay, we can create our own pages. That's very much fine. We can give the layout that we have done, 2x2 layout or these layouts we have done. Now, can we create our own widget? I want to create my own box with some different thing. Yes. For that, you need to go to the widget section. And it says you can make a changes in the widget or you can use out of the box widget as well. Because portal is something which is used by the end user. And when it comes to the end user, it's always about the experience. How beautiful you can define a portal page. Let me show you some examples here. This portal examples is now. Images. See, this is nothing but a service portal itself. पूरा background image change कर दिया. This again. ये देखो ये रहा. Service portal है ये भी. But multiple widgets they have created it. ये भी service portal है. Again service portal. In the service portal you can do a lot, but it's all about the coding experience. HTML and CSS are must here. JavaScript, AngularJS, these all are the required here. Without that, you cannot even build anything in ServiceNow, service portal. So now,
one question.
go ahead, please.
So generally, is it a general instance or daily day-to-day thing that we build pages or service portal in ITSM module or something like that in
No.
that developer environment?
No, it is kind of a one-time activity. So we preferably say to our customers, hey, service now provide us a portal, use that only.
Okay.
So customer says, no, no, I don't want this. I want something different. Now the question
Okay.
comes when it says something different, are you looking for the completely from the fresh, a new? Then we can create our scratch portal from the scratch. If you are okay with the existing portal and you want little modification, let us know. We can try it what best we can put it on this particular part. And that is what I'm saying nowadays we're not recommending to use service portal. We're recommending to use ECS portal. And ECS is not like that which you're doing. It is another way to delete actually. Okay, clear?
Okay. So another question, sir, like
Hmm.
if we are choosing ITSM module, so
Hmm.
that comes as a developer as well, right? So it has a developer. So we need to learn like a JavaScript, Angular, HTML, CSS, everything, all those for coding.
See, not sure that why you're clubbing the things with the ITSM module. ITSM is just a product. And what we are learning is a base for any of the product. If you want to work in ServiceNow backend, then JavaScript is must. We have a concept called the business tool client script that is completely JavaScript based. If you want to work on the service portal, then you're this thing. HTML, CSS, Angular are required. I think Angular is not much used nowadays in this platform, but it is be required to be understand. Specifically, HTML, CSS is must here to be known.
Okay.
Okay. So now we want to create our own widget. You can open any existing widget. So let's say clock is the widget which we see, right? Now we are able to see this particular this thing, but how this is built up. This required HTML, client script, server side scripts. This much code this widget required. Then you can see this. Because I have no coding experience. I learned from the coding experience means I don't have much exposure to the coding, so we are not able to make a change. So there's a concept called CSS, SCSS as well. Link function. JSON. So these things come together and you have to be write the code that what you want to be do. If you want to make a change in this existing widget, ServiceNow don't recommend it. ServiceNow say, please make a copy and then change. So you can go and create a clone of that particular widget. Click on clone and you can put your name, LNGP. You want to create a test page? No, I don't want to create a test page. Submit. वो submit हो गया. Now it is your widget, so you can open it now. And now you can make a changes easily. If you know the HTML, CSS, you can go and make a change. And if you click, your work done. And it will be, you need to be add this particular widget in your pages and then you can show them. Everybody clear? If you want to see the portals, that how many portals are there, you can see. Sorry, if you want to see the portal structure, this is a good thing. I want to see the portal structure of the LNG. This portal, sorry. ये देखो, service portal has two things, theme and menu. Under menu, I have a knowledge. Under knowledge, it's a page, and then it will show you like this. ये देखो, ये रहा. Let's say I want to see that how the knowledge page has been designed. KB underscore, not knowledge portal. Let me show you something on the index. Okay. Not here. ये अच्छा तो portals बताएगा, रुको. Let me go to the pages. हाँ, ये रहा. Now click on this, and now I want to see that how the index page has been defined. Now you can see the complete structure. So if you stuck, Atul, how this page has been defined, how this portal has been, how this portal has been defined. Go back and open the page here. And you can see the structure. And now you want to make a change in the column 1. Click on the column 1 and scroll down. You can see all these things here. This is a way to find out that where you are stuck, how this has been thing defined on my portal, what structure it is following, what widget it is be using. But the only thing is that you must know your page. That is important. Announcement. This is widget, and now if you want to make a change, you can change here as well. That's fine. That's totally fine. So being a beginner, we use this option that I want to see that how my page has been structured. And if you want, you can open this page in the designer. इस format में खुल जाएगा. So that you can make a changes now. Clear, everybody? Question, doubt, clarification, guys. So now what is the homework for today? Anybody can volunteer and take a homework for today. Number 1, create a new portal in my PDI. Use the existing pages only. If you're good in the coding, you can go and create HTML, CSS. If you're not, no problem. Create 2 or 3 pages in that portal. And under that pages, add the different modules. And then try to be use a page which is out of the box given by ServiceNow and a widget in your portal and see how it's look like. Go and do the branding changes in the portal. Clear, everybody? Doubt, question, clarification. Anybody can take homework and put in the WhatsApp group. Just mention your name immediately in the WhatsApp group that who is be sending the questions for today.
I'll be sending that.
Okay, Tulsi, thanks. Okay. So this is about portal and the portal configuration. Widget, pages, branding, everything. Explore the widgets. There's a multiple widgets. If you want to go in the back in the native, you can search. Widgets. देखो ये One more thing which is be required if I go back in the portal. And if you open the service portal, you can see analytics settings. Click on this. I want to get some analytics settings about my portal. I can enable it for me. I want to be C. This is again a question I'm giving. Tulsi just added. I want to be C that in my portal, which widget is taking more time, which box is taking more time. How how I can get that information. What module I need to be see in ServiceNow to get this information. Have a look around this question as well. All clear, everybody? Okay, good. So tomorrow we will go more on this particular area. That if, like in the morning, Savita says, Atul, we go to the website, we choose our product, we order it. Now we will see that part. And that concept is called service catalog and request management. How we can configure these things, items in my portal. How an end user can order that item from my portal. Those things we will see in tomorrow's session. If no other question, doubt, let me stop the recording and take attendance now.